How to see who viewed your Instagram story after 24 hours using the latest Instagram app. If your story has already disappeared from your profile, you can still check its viewer list for a limited time through your story archive. To get started, open Instagram and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Archive. If your archive opens to Posts Archive, tap the menu at the top and switch to Stories Archive. Now, select the story you want to check. Once it opens, tap Activity or Viewed By at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll be able to see who viewed your story, along with any replies or interactions that are still available. Keep in mind that Instagram only keeps the viewer list for a limited period after your story is posted. Once that time expires, you'll still be able to view the archive story, but the list of viewers will no longer be available. And that's it. That's how you can see who viewed your Instagram story after 24 hours using the Story Archive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.